I'm meteorologist Monica Woods, and we're looking at our regional headlines heading into our midweek forecast. Had a quick little system moving through overnight Tuesday into Wednesday, and now on the back edge of this, we're going to see some strong rip currents for the coast, as well as sneaker waves. We'll talk about some of the watches and warnings that are out for that. For the valley, a mix of sun and clouds with some fog. For the foothills, warming, and then for the Sierra, our snow is going to be ending. So we have a beach hazard statement in effect for the north end of the Bay Area, including San Francisco, all the way south into the Monterey Bay Peninsula. Again, sneaker waves, strong rip currents, so really have to be mindful of some big waves and surf along the coast there as that weather system passes off to the east. A little bit of cloud cover left over for our Wednesday, not much in the way of rain or snow. We clear things out for the evening hours. Some patchy low clouds and fog reforming throughout parts of the valley early Thursday, and we'll see a repeat performance of that into our Friday and Saturday as well. Occasional cloud cover takes us through the day, but for the large majority of the forecast, we're going to be dry. Tracking a weather system due in this weekend. This one looks like it's going to weaken substantially under a ridge of high pressure. It's going to meet up against that pretty strong ridge, and not much moisture is left behind it. So we are mostly left with a dry forecast for our Sunday, although there's just a slight chance we'll see a few light sprinkles overnight Sunday into early Monday. After that, it is all about our high pressure ridge. It is likely warmer into the first full week of February, even into the second week of February, and drier as well. February happens to be our second wettest month of the year. It's okay if we take this pause, but by the middle and end of the month, we really need to turn things around here. Wednesday forecast in the high country for the Tahoe Basin, we're in the 40s. Down the hill, we're in the 50s and 60s. As we move into the central Sierra, again, after the post-frontal system moves through, we'll see highs rebound into the 50s and upper 40s for the mountains. For the valley, we're looking at a mix of sun and clouds and highs in the mid-60s before we see a return to areas of fog into our Thursday. Monterey Bay Peninsula, again, we have that beach hazard statement out for those sneaker waves and strong rip currents. And then as we head towards the central coast, San Luis Obispo up to about 72 degrees for an afternoon high, with inland areas warming into the 60s, including Hollister close to 70 for our Wednesday. Highs will be close to 60 for the Bay Area. Again, that also includes those sneaker waves and strong rip currents there. As we head inland, highs are going to be in the upper 50s. Travel north along the northwest coast, our highs are in the 50s. We're clearing those skies through the north end of the valley with highs in the upper 50s for our midweek outlook. Nice to kind of take a pause from the fog throughout the capital region, including Sacramento at 58 degrees through the northern San Joaquin Valley. Also a mix of sun and clouds, not much in the way of fog until we get deeper into the forecast. I'll look at the short-term forecast. Those snow showers are ending for the Sierra, so we're going to be back to the dry weather for the upcoming weekend. Highs are going to be warming close to 70 by the time we get to our Saturday forecast for the foothills and for the Bay Area. Again, some strong rip as well as sneaker waves developing there. Highs are going to stay in the 60s with that slight chance of showers again coming in on Sunday. But outside of that, this is largely a dry outlook.